take your run, you're going to start here, and you're going to go all the way to the end of Old Common over there, and then you're going to go up Old Common, around the green there, and come back down. And when you hit High Crest, you're going to come back and you come back down to the school. And that's the loop you're going to take. Yay!
All right, let's give Kate and her friends a big round of applause for coming out today and running this for you. Kate's going to come up front because she's going to be our lead runner, so you can keep up with Kate. Car's going to go when you go. Kate, come up further. Up front. All right? Remember, we're going to start off nice and slow. We don't need to go too fast. We don't need anybody to trip. Try to stay on the road, on the driveway. That's right. We got people out here to direct you to and across the garden there, so that's all going to help.